Welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring some amazing front home canopy design to give your home stylish and functional upgrade. Let's dive in and get inspired. First up, we have the glass modern canopy. This design is perfect if you want a sleek, contemporary look for your home. The clear glass allows plenty of natural light while providing protection from the elements. It's great for creating a clean and elegant entrance. Wooden canopies. Wooden canopies bring a warm classic feel to your home. You can choose from simple designs to more intricate carvings, depending on your taste. Plus, wood can be stained or painted to match your home's exterior. For a more casual and vibrant look, consider a canvas canopy. These are perfect for adding a pop of color and personality to your entrance. They come in various patterns and colors, so you can really let your creativity shine. Plus, canvas canopies are easy to install and maintain. If you love the rustic farmhouse style, a canopy made of reclaimed wood and metal might be just what you need. This design adds a charming vintage touch to your home. It's not only stylish but also eco-friendly, as it uses recycled materials. Minimalist canopies are perfect for those who prefer a more understated look. A simple metal canopy with clean lines can add a touch of modern elegance without overwhelming your home's facade. It's a subtle yet sophisticated choice. Thanks for watching. I hope you found some inspiration for your home canopy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment with your favorite canopy idea. And don't forget to subscribe for our more home tips and inspirations.